Planning to explore Athens, but don't want to be weighed down by your luggage? Radical Storage offers a simple and secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Athens, a platform that provides safe and insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your belongings are securely stored and insured as you explore. You might search for Radical Storage on your own, but beware of phishing sites. To avoid any risk, use the secure link provided to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Athens. Just enter Athens in the search bar, and a list of available storage locations across the city will appear. Choose a convenient location near tourist spots, transportation hubs, or central Athens. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage offers secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your chosen luggage storage point. When you arrive at the location, show your reference to the staff, and they will safely store your bags. And that's it. Now you can explore Athens without any luggage, knowing that your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.